Bee pickup day. I don't know what I'm doing. I need to get dressed so I can go pick up these bees. Can I even drive in this? I'm gonna get pulled over. This is exciting. They're gonna get in there. That's not sufficient. I need duct tape. Bee selfie. Look at all the bees. Oh my god. Bees. Okay, the bees are loaded up. I can hear the bees. I'm driving to the property, so much to do, so much to see. Won't you ride along with bees, ride along? There's bees in the car. Like, not inside the nuke, not inside the net. They're flying around, having fun. If you crank up the AC, the bees should calm down. Yeah, it's really cold in here. Made it to the property. I guess the bees are still happy. It's raining now, which was not unexpected. I'm happy it's only sprinkling, so it's not too bad. But I've come prepared. I have a tent that I'm gonna put up. Time for bees. Chill out, bees. These bees have been through a lot. That was quite a bumpy road, quite a long trip. I'm gonna let them relax for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna start putting some of the sugar water in here. Ooh, well that's interesting. Got ourselves a little scorpion in the feeder. Oh, hello. Oh, there's two. Hi, but y'all need to go, for real. Your little scorpion friends. Hi, scorpion friends. You gotta get out of here. And even though I'm wearing gloves, I'm not brave enough to just grab some scorpions. So I'm gonna dump them out over there. The green nuke is like twice as heavy as this yellow one. I'm interested to see what's inside. When we actually open it up, hopefully there's some answers there. We don't need this medium, so I'm gonna bring this back to the car now. Let's make sure we don't have more friends. And anyway, I need to take half of these out. Can't put it off anymore. Gotta put the bees in. I have to open up the bag and they will be fine. This is gonna be fine. You're calm, right? Okay. Welcome to your new home. Be nice to me, bees. My bees. So, I'm supposed to smoke these. Now I'm wondering if I really should. Let's see how they are first. If you're already a beekeeper, you're probably laughing at me. This reminds me of when I brought my kid home for the first time and I drove 5 miles an hour the whole way. Being so gentle. So gentle. Ooh, righty. Ooh, would you look at that? That's cool. I've changed my mind. I'm gonna smoke them a little bit. Somebody gave me the tip to use some animal bedding. Wearing gloves doesn't give you a lot of dexterity. Okay. Hey, that works good. Fire! Put the fire out. Alright. Number 2. Fire. I make campfires. This is a little different. I don't think it's supposed to be a big blaze. Hey, that worked. Alright dudes, you ready? We need to figure out how to make smoke consistently and not put the fire out. I think they're trying to get to me. Oh, please don't set me on fire. There, some more smoke. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Second lesson learned. You need more working space. Especially when the ground is wet and you don't want to put things down. Wow! That's a lot of bees. Woo, woo, woo. Chill, chill, chill. Shwing. Nice and shiny. Never been used. Also, I don't know how to use it. Something I've learned is I gotta put them in the same order. Apparently they don't like it when you rearrange furniture. Wow. That's so cool. Oh goodness. Wow. I don't know what I'm looking at. It's just a lot of bees. Sorry. I think I'm being too shy about this. Oh, that's a lot of bees. I don't see a queen. She's probably there. I just don't see her. Okay. I don't know how to do this gently. How do you do this gently? I feel like I'm just gonna drop them down. They're gonna get mad at me. Ah. Hello. Go away. You're mad. I know. Tell me your feelings. You don't have to resort to physical violence. Smoke me. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Whoa. Oh, I am so sorry. No queen spotting. Maybe you can help. In there? Somewhere? I'm just gonna put it back. Stop playing around. This is cool. They're all just like chilling out. Flop. So I'm gonna give one of these. Plop. Queen could be there. I want to make sure she gets in the hive. In the hive. A whole lot more. Little shaker-rooney. This is really loud, being so close. I'm gonna give them their sugar water, close it up, and hopefully they start chilling out. Go bees! Feeding time! First hive is down. I'm officially a beekeeper. That's exciting. Terrifying, but it's exciting. I'm really curious what to see inside. What's going to be different about that one, that it's so much heavier. These bees are much calmer. I don't know if that's a good thing. Much fewer bees. Nothing in the top. This was the heavier one. This is interesting. I think I see a wasp nest. You can make all the plans in the world, read all the articles, and they don't talk about, oh, you're gonna find scorpions inside your empty hive, or actually a wasp nest could just kind of show up. Okay, it's a big wasp. There you are. So this is a bee suit. Is it okay for wasps? I'm gonna go over there and just give them a little shoo shoo. Shoo. Ah, scorpion. Hi. Hi, scorpion. I'm just gonna give you a little shoo. Whoop. Little chill out juice. That has got a lot of honey. Ooh, it's got some heft to it. But I don't see the queen again. These bees are significantly calmer. The other ones didn't like me much. Not good at spotting the queen. In either hive, I couldn't find her. I'm sure she's there. I don't know if you can see a whole bunch of dead bees down this one. And with this population being so low, I'm already worried about it. I might be worrying for nothing. I don't know beekeeping. But for sure that one seems a whole lot stronger of a hive. They're more active and at least double the population. So I guess this is part of the learning experience, knowing which one is strong and which one is not. Cool. Sorry bees. Your fertilizer now. Ah! What the heck? Oh, a scorpion. We're best friends now. Hey, friend. I don't know what to do with that yet. I know I'm not supposed to throw it away, but I don't know what to do. So I gotta go look that up. In the meantime, I'm just gonna bring it home. I'm all done out here in the acres. Got the beehives in. It was a little stressful, but also a lot of fun. I think I've learned 3 things today. My number 1 lesson is I need to get better at lighting this smoker. My second lesson is about this bench. I need more workspace. The third thing that I'll share is it's not as bad once you really get around the bees and you spend some time. It was definitely fearful at first when I first take that top off the bees, off the nuke, and they are buzzing like crazy and you can hear them coming after you. Once you spend some time with them, actually they're pretty cool. You're gonna be fearful in the beginning, and that's okay. Just be a little scared and do it anyway. Bravery is when you feel fear and you do it anyway. So be brave. You can do it. So I'm going to challenge you to do one thing, a small thing, that gets you closer to your dream this week. Maybe draw a picture of your dream. Put it on your list that you want to accomplish something that gets you just a little bit closer. Because all those little bits are going to add up and you're going to get there. That's it for today. I'm going to say goodbye to my bees. Bye bees. And the next time you see me here with the bees, I'll just be checking in on them to make sure that they're still alive, making brood, making eggs, making honey, drawing out the comb to the other frames that we have inside. So I'll see you next time when I'm checking in on the bees. I need a good pun. I'll be here later. Have a good one. I'll be back. Be kind. I'll see you next time here on Faewood Acres. Take care, everybody.